Sawadee krab everyone. First video of the channel here. Quick introduction, I'm Igor. I'm half Japanese, half Italian, Brazilian born, and I've been calling Bangkok home since 2022. Therefore, I will try to show as much as I can in this channel my passion for this country through a more local perspective. So I hope you can join me in this journey with lots of art, culture, history, travel, and unique experiences that only this amazing country can provide. Today I'm going to Bentakiti Park, which is kind of like the central park here. Apparently there's a Japan Expo happening there. So I'm gonna check it out and bring you guys with me. Bye, We are here now in Asok area, which is the busiest area in Bangkok. Here's where everything happens, packed with shopping malls, restaurants, bars, entertainment, also the main area where a lot of the expats live. And now we are heading to Bartels, which is a trendy new sourdough spot here in the city, and I'm dying to try it out. Let's go. Now check this out. Daily fresh baked sourdough bread straight from the oven to your table. Aroy mak. But now time to burn a little bit of those carbs. So let's head to Bentakiti Park. So this is one of the major parks here in Bangkok, and it's a beautiful one. They have this huge pond here with running circuits around it. So a lot of people like to come here for a stroll, running, jogging, and you can also do some kayaking on the pond. So it's a really cool place to come here to relax and just get a little break from the city. And the best part, you are just literally 10 minutes from one of the busiest areas in Bangkok. So if you want to get here, just get off at Asok BTS station, take the exit 4, and just walk for about 10 to 15 minutes and you will reach this green paradise. Oh, and funny enough, I just got a free little snack here. I guess it's to make up for the calories I'm gonna lose walking, hey? So at the other side of the pond, it's the Queen City Kid National Convention Center, which is a huge modern complex with lots of event halls, restaurants, and facilities for you to use. And it's also where the Japan Expo event is happening. So let's check it out. Ikimashou. So as you can see, lots of people here. Thai people are obsessed with Japan and Japanese stuff. Lots of food stalls and Japanese products. There's also this guy here, which is I'm not sure if he's a grape or a melon, also like a train captain. Anyways, there was also a performance by this J-pop girl group called Kamen Joshi. Let's go check it out. Well, I'm more of a baby metal guy, but that was cool. Anyways, after walking all day, I think I'm gonna finish it up with a well-deserved massage. You know, I go to massage every week, at least once. So I'm very peculiar about my massage parlors. I had never been to this one, but I gotta tell you, it made it into my list now. So I'm out for today, guys. See you next time and pai leo na.
อุ๊ยอันนั้นอยู่ข้างหลังนะสายอะ